Unlock professional streaming quality with your Canon Eos 250d, all without needing an expensive capture card. First, head over to the Canon support website and locate the Webcam utility software for your Eos 250d. Ensure you download the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once downloaded and installed, connect your Canon Eos 250d to your computer using a standard USB cable. Make sure the camera is powered on and in movie mode or photo mode, depending on the software's requirements. Next, open your preferred streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS, and new video capture device source. In the device selection menu, you should now see your Canon Eos 250d listed as an option. Select your camera, and you should immediately see Slave Feed. Take a moment to adjust the resolution and frame rate within your streaming software for the best visual quality, aiming for at least 1080p if your internet connection allows. For optimal results, ensure your camera has a fully charged battery or is connected to an AC adapter to avoid interruptions during your stream. Proper lighting will significantly enhance your image quality, making you look even more professional. And there you have it. You're now leveraging your Canon Eos 250d as a high-quality webcam for streaming or video calls, all without the extra cost of a capture card. Upgrade your online presence the budget-friendly way.